The HEY workshops are a very important initiative at CPB Learning Lab. As photographers, we understand the joy and happiness of sharing our knowledge through various fun activities in photography, writing, and sharing stories.
She is a cerebral palsy girl and a wheelchair user. We sent her all alone and she enjoyed it thoroughly. Teaching, I think, was friendly and she learned. And I just hope this workshop continues so that she can do it on her own.
I got a wonderful feedback from the students because they just loved the activities and the photographs that they took over there. In fact, one or two students with autism, we had very great difficulty to get them to really participate in activities, really loved the workshop. It was a very positive workshop that happened at the Museum Cafe.
A new school of art greets visitors at the busy Tiruvanmayur railway station. Photographs clicked by special children with Down syndrome.
The HEY workshops have brought great joy and learning to both the mentors and the participants. I request all of you to come forward and support the HEY exhibition, which will showcase the work of these participants with whom we've been working since last year. We would really like to put out this exhibition in a big and beautiful way during the upcoming Chennai Photo Biennale in the month of February 2025. We do believe that photography is for everyone. If we talk of inclusivity, we must act now. Do make sure that you are part of this journey in making our worlds more inclusive.